Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a digital artist, illustrator, animator, or graphic designer looking for the best Huion tablet in 2026, you're in the right place. Today, we're checking out the best Huion drawing tablets you can buy right now, from affordable beginner tablets to premium 4K pen displays for professional artists. We'll cover display quality, pen performance, portability, and overall value to help you choose the perfect tablet for your creative workflow. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. Huion Kamvas 13, Gen 3. The Huion Kamvas 13 Gen 3 drawing tablet is a compact and professional-grade pen display designed for digital artists, designers, and creative professionals. Featuring a 13.3-inch full laminated screen with anti-sparkle canvas glass 2.0, this drawing tablet delivers a natural paper-like drawing experience with reduced glare and improved visual clarity. Its vibrant display supports 99% sRGB color accuracy, making it ideal for detailed artwork, photo editing, and creative projects. Equipped with advanced PenTech 4.0 technology and 16,384 levels of pen pressure sensitivity, the Kamvas 13 provides precise and responsive pen performance for smooth sketching and shading. The dual dial and customizable shortcut controls enhance workflow efficiency, while broad compatibility with PC, Mac, and Android devices makes it a versatile option for creators working across multiple platforms. Number 2. Huion Kamvas Pro 16 V2. The Huion Kamvas Pro 16 V2 drawing tablet is a professional digital art tablet designed to deliver a smooth and highly responsive drawing experience for artists, illustrators, and designers. Featuring a 15.6-inch full laminated display, this pen tablet minimizes parallax while providing vibrant visuals and excellent clarity for detailed creative work. It comes equipped with advanced PenTech 4.0 technology and a battery-free stylus offering 16K levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing precise control for sketching, shading, and painting. The Smart Touch Bar and 6 customizable shortcut keys improve workflow efficiency by giving quick access to frequently used tools and functions. Compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux systems, the Kamvas Pro 16 V2 is a versatile and reliable option for both professional and aspiring digital creators. Number 3. Huion Kamvas Pro 19 4K. The Huion Kamvas Pro 19 4K UHD drawing tablet is a high-end professional pen display designed for artists, illustrators, and creative professionals who need exceptional detail and color accuracy. Featuring an 18.4-inch 4K UHD touchscreen display, it delivers ultra-sharp visuals and supports 96% Adobe RGB color gamut with 1.07 billion colors for highly precise and vibrant artwork. Powered by PenTech 4.0 technology, the included PW600 Slim battery-free stylus offers 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity for extremely accurate drawing control and natural pen performance. The tablet also includes the key dial mini and customizable controls to streamline workflow and improve productivity. With its large display, advanced stylus technology, and professional-grade color accuracy, it is ideal for demanding creative work such as illustration, animation, and digital design. Number 4. Huion Kamvas Pro 16. The Huion Kamvas Pro 16 drawing tablet is a versatile and professional pen display designed for artists, designers, and digital creators who want a natural drawing experience. It features a 15.6-inch full-screen display with anti-glare glass, helping reduce reflections while delivering clear and comfortable viewing during long creative sessions. The tablet includes 6 customizable shortcut keys that improve workflow efficiency by providing quick access to essential tools and functions. With broad compatibility across Windows, Mac, and Linux systems, it supports a wide range of creative software and workflows. Its adjustable stand and responsive pen performance make it suitable for drawing, writing, sketching, and design work, offering a reliable and smooth creative experience. Humanize 115 words. Number 5. Huion Kamvas Pro 24 Gen 3. The Huion Kamvas Pro 24 Gen 3 touch drawing tablet is a premium 23.8-inch 4K UHD pen display designed for professional artists, illustrators, and designers who need maximum precision and screen space. It features a high-resolution 4K display with 99% Adobe RGB color coverage, delivering rich, accurate, and vibrant colors for detailed creative work. Equipped with PenTech 4.0 and a dual 16,384 level pressure-sensitive stylus, it offers extremely precise and natural pen control for sketching, painting, and digital illustration. The touch functionality and wireless key dial provide intuitive shortcuts and workflow efficiency, allowing users to customize controls for faster productivity. With its large screen, advanced pen technology, and professional-grade color accuracy, the Kamvas Pro 24 Gen 3 is built for high-end creative production and demanding design tasks. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you find the best Huion tablet for your art and creative projects. All product links are available in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews, creative tools, and artist gear guides in 2026. See you in the next video.